Struggling to find the perfect laptop that's not just affordable but also doubles as a tablet? Stop the search. Whether it's writing down notes in class, editing assignments, or binging your favorite shows, these 2-in-1 laptops have you covered without breaking the bank. And did I mention they're all budget-friendly? Stick around till the end to find the one that fits your needs perfectly. And hey, if you're ready to grab any of these awesome laptops, check the links in the description for the best deals. Let's jump in. Number 5. ASUS Zenbook 14 Flip. If you're looking for a laptop that effortlessly combines power and versatility, this is the one to consider. Its sleek, slim design hides a powerful Intel Core i7 processor, making it perfect for both work and play. But the real showstopper here is the 14-inch OLED touchscreen. The colors are vivid, the blacks are deep, and the experience is simply stunning. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or browsing, the display is a treat for your eyes. What sets the Zenbook 14 Flip apart is its 360-degree hinge. You can switch between laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes with ease. This means you can adapt it to whatever you're doing, whether you're typing up a report, watching a video, or presenting to a client. The laptop also features a backlit keyboard, making it ideal for working in low-light environments. As for performance, it doesn't disappoint. The Intel Core i7 paired with 16 GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking, even when running multiple apps or heavy software. It also has a 512 GB SSD, which means fast boot-ups and plenty of storage for your files. Another great feature? Its battery life. You can get a solid full day of use out of this laptop, so you won't have to constantly worry about finding a charger. Plus, it's super lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Whether you're in the office, at a coffee shop, or on the go, the Zenbook 14 Flip OLED offers the perfect blend of style, performance, and flexibility. Number 4. HP Spectre X36014. This laptop isn't just about looks. It combines elegance with powerhouse performance. Right from the moment you open it, you'll notice the sleek, premium design that's perfect for those who want style and substance in one device. The 14-inch 3K OLED touch display is a standout feature, offering crisp, vibrant visuals that make everything from work to entertainment an immersive experience. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or just browsing the web, the colors and details on this screen are stunning. Under the hood, the HP Spectre X360 is powered by the latest Intel Core i7 processor, which ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks and even heavy multitasking. Plus, the 16 GB of RAM means you won't run into any slowdowns when you have multiple apps or tabs open. One of the things that make this laptop a real gem is its 2-in-1 versatility. The 360-degree hinge lets you switch between laptop mode and tablet mode effortlessly, making it perfect for different working styles. Whether you're typing out documents or sketching your next big idea, the Spectre X360 adapts to your needs. Another highlight is its impressive battery life. You can easily get through a full day of work or play without worrying about finding an outlet. Plus, with fast charging, you won't be tied down for long. To top it all off, the HP Spectre X36014 is equipped with the latest connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4, which means fast data transfers and easy connections to external devices. If you're looking for a laptop that combines cutting-edge tech, stunning design, and solid performance, the HP Spectre X36014 definitely deserves your attention. Number 3. Lenovo Yoga 7. This laptop is a powerhouse that combines versatility and performance in one sleek design. If you're looking for a laptop that can adapt to your lifestyle, this is the one. Whether you're working from home, watching movies, or browsing the web, the Yoga 7 is built to handle it all. One of its standout features is the 360-degree hinge, allowing you to seamlessly flip the screen into tablet mode or stand mode. This flexibility means you can use it in whatever way works best for you. Need to take notes or sketch something? Just flip it to tablet mode, and you're good to go. Powered by the latest Intel processors, the Lenovo Yoga 7 offers impressive speed. So whether you're multitasking between tabs or running heavy applications, it keeps up effortlessly. Plus, it's equipped with ample RAM and storage, ensuring smooth performance, even during intense work sessions. The display? Absolutely stunning. With a vibrant touchscreen that delivers sharp, crisp visuals, every movie, video call, or photo looks rich and detailed. And thanks to its slim bezels, you'll get a more immersive experience without the distractions. On the battery front, it's a real winner. The Lenovo Yoga 7 offers impressive battery life, lasting throughout the day, even with moderate use, so you won't be constantly hunting for an outlet. If you're someone who values both functionality and style, the Yoga 7 should be at the top of your list. It's a perfect fit for anyone seeking a laptop that works as hard as they do. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro 360. If you're looking for versatility, the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 delivers in style. This laptop gives you the power of a high-end machine, paired with the flexibility of a 360-degree rotating touchscreen. Whether you're working, creating, or just unwinding with a movie, the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 adapts to your needs. One of its standout features is the stunning AMOLED display. Colors are rich and vibrant, making it perfect for everything from editing photos and videos to simply browsing. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, this screen maintains clarity with impressive brightness and sharpness. You'll find an Intel Core i7 processor that handles multitasking effortlessly. Need to run multiple apps at once? The Book5 Pro 360 takes care of it with ease. Plus, with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, this laptop ensures smooth performance with quick load times and minimal lag. The 360-degree hinge is another game changer. You can switch between laptop mode, tent mode, stand mode, and tablet mode, making it ideal for presentations or just relaxing with a movie or book. And with long battery life, you can count on it to keep up with your busy day. For those who need style and functionality in one sleek package, the Galaxy Book5 Pro 360 doesn't disappoint. Whether you're a professional on the go, a student, or someone who simply enjoys a flexible and reliable laptop, this one checks all the boxes. Number 1. Microsoft Surface Pro 11. This device is redefining what a two-in-one laptop can do. It comes packed with features that make it an incredible choice for students. Let's start with the good stuff. First up is its 13-inch OLED screen with vibrant, dynamic colors and an ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're taking notes, watching lectures, or streaming movies, the display makes everything pop. The detachable type cover keyboard is a game changer. It works even when it's not physically connected to the tablet, offering students maximum flexibility. Add to that the upgradable storage, excellent trackpad, and spectacular webcam. This laptop is as much about performance as it is about convenience. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X chipset, designed for speed, efficiency, and better battery life. And speaking of battery, it outlasts most Intel laptops in its class, making it perfect for long study sessions or working on the go. Now, every laptop has its quirks, and the Surface Pro 11 isn't an exception. While it's lightweight and portable, it's not the best tablet experience without the keyboard. Plus, Microsoft has removed the headphone jack, which might be a deal breaker for some. Design-wise, it maintains the iconic Surface Pro kickstand, but now has smaller bezels and more rounded edges, giving it a sleek and modern look. It's elegant, durable, and designed to impress. Despite minor drawbacks, the Surface Pro 11 stands out as one of the best all-around two-in-one laptops for students, especially for those who value a premium screen, portability, and versatility. So here are 5 of the best two-in-one laptops. Comment down to let us know which one you think is the right for you. For prices, check the links provided in description, and don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel.